Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome today in the daily newspaper of uh, Tuesday. Yes, it's Tuesday, April the 4th, 2023. We have here one regular puzzle and it's a medium Sudoku. In this newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles. Let me show you. This page is an additional with extra puzzles. 7 extra puzzles. The letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. Then we have 2 tectonics. One with 4 stars and one with a 1 star. In Dutch, they call it Cijferblok. In Japanese, Suguru. And the last puzzle is a binary puzzle. These puzzles I'm not interested. 7 extra puzzles. Half of them I will solve. Yeah, otherwise it's too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Alright, what's the news of today? Well, today on Tuesday, former president will face criminal charges. Yeah, he paid a lot of money, hush money, to a porn star, Stormy Daniels. Yeah, now I know the last name, Stormy Daniels. So that's the news of today. Well, there's other news. There's also a train accident in the Netherlands. So I think a lot of people were injured. Yeah, one dead person. So anyway, let me start with the medium Sudoku. And number 6224. 6224. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has. Let me check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 26 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars Sudokus, in addition, this will be a 2 stars puzzle. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve that puzzle. Is this really 2 stars? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me see. Which number can I pick? Well. We have a 3 in this row, 3 in the last row, so in the row between. Only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in the first column, so no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in the third column, 3 in the first column, so the column between the second column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in the third row, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. We have 3 in this column, so no 3 in that box. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. Alright. Okay. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this column, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. Yeah, 3 in this row, so no 3 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 in this big square should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next down, the 3 places left for the 3 should be here, or there. We see here 3 in the first row, no 3 there. Here 3 in the third row, no 3 there. So the only place left for the 3 should be there. Alright. 3 in this row, 3 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only 3 places left for the 3 should be here, or there. We see here 3 in the last column, so no 3 there. Here 3 in that column, so no 3 there. So the only place left for the 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 3. Alright. Okay. Then. Well. Yeah. We have 8 in the first row, 8 in the second row. So in the third row, only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. You see an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Okay. Well, difficult. Cannot continue with the 8 now. Need to wait. 2, 2. Okay. 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in the middle row, so no 2 in these 3 marks. Here 2 in this column, so no 2 in those 2 boxes. So the 2 in this big square could be here, could be there. Alright. 2 in this column. 2 in one of those 2 boxes in the second column. So in the first column, only 3 places left for the 2 should be here, or there. We see here 2 in this row, no 2 there. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this row, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. Here, 2 in the middle column, so no 2 in those 2 boxes. So the 2 in this big square could be here, could be there. And look, I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 2. We have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. So this box can't be a 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. Alright. Okay. Now I cannot continue with the 2. I need to wait. How about the 5 in this row, the 5 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this column. No 5 there. 5 should be there. Alright. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in the middle row, so no 7 in these 3 boxes. Here's 7 in the second column, so no 7 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left in this big square for the 7 should be in there. 7, okay. Yeah. Then 4 missing numbers in the second column. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this big square, so no 6 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 in the second column should be there. Alright. 6 in the first column, 6 in the second column. So the third column, no need 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. You see a 6 in the first row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this row, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. Here's 6 in the middle column, no 6 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 in this big square should be there. 6, okay. Then I cannot continue with the 6. Well, not true. 6 in this column. 6 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. You see a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in the last column, 6 in that column. So the column between, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 6. Alright. Now. Then. Let me see. 9. 5. Okay. So what are these 3 missing numbers then in the second column? Those missing numbers are, the 1 is missing. 1. The 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 9. We have a 9 in this row, so no 9 there. So the 9 could be here, could be there. 1, 2, 9. 1, 2, 9, 1, 2, 9, 1, 2, 9. That means 2 missing numbers now in this big square for the numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. Let me mark those two boxes, 4 and 8. 4 and 8. Okay, 1, 9, and need a 5 here. Need a 5 here. Oh wait. 1, 7, 8, 8, 8, 7, 7, 7, 1, 1. Yes, we have a pair. We have a pair. The 7 in this column. Third column. 7 in the second column. So in the first column, no need 2 places left for the 7. Could be here. Could be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We have a 1 in the last row, so no 1 in this box. So the 1 goes together with the 7 as a pair. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. So 1 digit left in this big square for the number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. And we have a pair again. 8 and a 9 in this row. 8 and a 9 in the last row. So in the row between, the only 2 places left for the 8 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes pair. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have 8 in this column. No 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 9 goes there. Alright. Alright. And then. Let me see. 2 missing numbers now. Oh, wait. 4 and 8. We already have 8 there in the third column, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 4 goes in there. So 1 digit left now in the third column for number. The 1. Yeah, the 1 is missing. Okay, 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We have a 1 in this column, so no 1 in this box. So the 1 in this big square could be here, could be there. 1, 1, okay. 8 in this row. 8 in the middle row, so the row above. The only 3 places left for the 8 should be here, here, or there. You see an 8 in this column, no 8 there. Here an 8 in the column next, so no 8 there. So the only place left for the 8 should be there. Can I count? Yes, and all the 8s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 8. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So here we have 2 missing numbers then. In the last column for numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 1 and 9, 1 and 9. Let me mark those. Okay, so here we have a pair. But also, not a pair here. 1 and a 9. 1, 9, 2 here. Okay. 2, 2. Okay. How about, we have a pair. We have a 1 in one of those 2 boxes and a 7 in this row. We have a 1 and a 7 in the first row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 1 and 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. So the other pair in the second row are the numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. Well, let me mark those. 4 and a 9. Okay. So we have a 7 in this column, 7 in one of those 2 boxes in the last column. So the column between, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. You see a 7 in this row, no 7 there, 7 should be there. Yeah. 7. 1 and a 7. Here we have 2 missing numbers in this row. The 1 and a 7. 1 and a 7. So here we have a pair, but also we have there also a pair. 1 and a 7. So these 3 missing numbers should be the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, the 8, and 9 is missing. 4, 5, 9. And look, we have a 9 in this column, 9 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. So the 4 and the 5 are left for the 5. We have a 5 in this big square, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Alright, 7 and a 4. We have a 4 now in the last row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes in there. Wait. Then. 9. Okay. 4, 5. 2, 4, 5. 2. 2, 4, 5. 2, 4, 5. I'm thinking. Come on. Well. Two missing numbers in this big square. For numbers 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 1 and 4. We have a 4 in the middle row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 and a 9. We have 1 or a 9 here. We already have a 1 here. So this can be 1 anymore. This box should be a 9. So 2 numbers left here for the numbers 1 and a 2. 1 and a 2. Yeah, 1 and a 2. 129. Okay. 29. Yeah. 1 box left in this row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. Okay. The 5. So we have a 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here. Or there we see a 5 second row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in the first row, 5 in the second row. So the third row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can't see. Digit number 4, number 5. Oh, right. Here we have, wait. 2 numbers left, the 4 and a 9. In this big square, we have a 9 in the first row, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 4 goes there. I've marked this box with 4 or a 9. We already have a 9 there, so this box should be a 4 then. So here, 2 numbers left, the 1 and a 9 then. In this big square, we have a 9 in this column, so no 9 then. 9 should be here, and a 1 goes there. I've marked this box with 1 or a 9. We already have a 9 here in the last column, so this box should be a 1. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row above, the only place left for the 1 should be there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 2. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 numbers are left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, 8, the 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and 9. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 numbers are left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 2 in the third row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 2. Now we have a 2 here in this column, so no 2 there. 2 should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 7. We have a 7 in this column, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Here also 1 and a 7. We have a 7 in the middle column, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Here 1 and a 7. We have a 7 in this row, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Finished in 18 minutes. 18 minutes. Told you I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve a 2 stars puzzle. And we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in the evening with the other 4 puzzles in the additional. Until then, bye-bye for now.